You know, sometimes you gotta branch off of soda. You know, a lot of soda companies have their own water. Aquafina is made by Pepsi. Dasani, made by Coca-Cola. And even Jarritos, or Jarritos, however they pronounce it, they have their own water company.
Oh yeah, no, you totally.
Mineragua. Mineragua.
Mineragua, fresh sparkling water. Now I feel refreshed and you will too.
I guess that means mineral water. It's sparkling water. You see, it's got the little, seems little jugs. It even says Jarritos on the bottle.
How much water do you think people should drink every day, Frank?
Well, I have set a minimum of 64 ounces.
It's a lot of water.
Water everywhere.
And do you like mineral water? Are you partial to bubbly water, or do you like flat water?
I like flat water better.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna give this a try because it's part of the Jarritos brand.
And do you mind tap water? Do you enjoy tap water, Frank?
Well, I have a Brita filter.
Oh. Do you think tap water tastes gross?
It can sometimes.
Yeah, that's a shame.
Especially if you live in Newark. Brand. And there's a bonus coming.
Ooh.
Oh, it's another one that has to have the pop top. Ooh, did you see that? It sparkled up a little bit.
Oh,
come on.
little fizz.
Little fizz. Boom, 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 boom.
I don't.
You mentioning Tom Hanks. You mentioning that you have way more questions than answers.
No, I don't. That's the thing. Everyone knows Tommy definitely this.
You know, this is not a good water. This is not high quality H2O. In fact, it's pretty low quality H2O. I mean,
You guys want to go?
you see, they're too sparkling, too much.
You guys want to go?
Yeah, I'd rather have the flat water.
What do you look for in a water? What are the flavors you're looking for? What does this not have?
No real taste.
Ugh.
This is like a sour taste to it.
Ugh.
I'm gonna give this a 3.8. In fact, this is what I think about Jarritos Mineragua water.
Damn.
But we have a bonus review. Cookies and cream, cookies and cream. It's Twix for you to dream. And this is it's a nice big thing. Someone sent this to me. Twix cookies and cream. Let's see if it measures up to the Twix name. It's okay, but you need that caramel. It's not a Twix bar without the caramel. I don't taste the caramel. I taste cookies and cream. Standing by itself is fine, I guess. But when you see the name Twix, you want that caramel. 6.1.